Hey guys, I'm Shekhar here with Redline Auto Show. Uh, this is a different kind of a video. It's not about a vehicle in particular, but it's about some modifications that I was thinking of doing to my Jeep. I was wanting to go with the Overland kind of theme where there are a bunch of accessories, including a rooftop tent and a slide out kitchen and stuff like that with my Jeep. And I was thinking of different options, and the place to begin with was with a roof rack. And Gobi makes extremely nice roof rack for the Jeep Wranglers. And of course, you guys might know my Wrangler is a soft top, so it's kind of limited options as far as roof racks go. And like I said, the Gobi was the one that I would have bought, but the problem is it's too expensive. And you guys know me, I'm kind of cheap. I don't like to spend too much money. And then I started thinking about various other options, and 8020 is 8020 Inc. is a company that makes these aluminum extrusions. That's what it's called. This is what this is made up of. Now, backstory to this is even those extrusions are pretty expensive. They don't. The good thing with them is they don't involve any welding. They're pretty modular. They fasten by proprietary fasteners, but you could get pretty creative with these things. Again, they're expensive. But then I came across this Facebook ad that this guy was selling this for scrap. I picked it up for $350 delivered to my door. Let me turn the camera around. Alright guys, so this is what I bought for $350. I mean, it's crazy. It's a conveyor system built for some application which I do not know what it is, but it's crazy though. This is a pretty expensive piece of equipment. I mean, I feel sad kind of breaking it down, but the reason I bought this was for these aluminum extrusions. I mean, they're fantastic. It's basically aluminum, so nothing's really going to happen to it. And it's got nice lengthy pieces of aluminum which I could use, and it's got a motor, and it's got a pulley system. The orange belt seems to be the conveyor system, but then, like I said, I hate to break this down, but it is what it is. I have no purpose for this piece of equipment. I wish I knew somebody who needed this, but that's a quick update of what it is. And I mean, it is a build, it is a idea that I'm trying to put together, but let's see where it goes. I'm getting ready to break this down.